Hi, I'm Catherine. I'm part of the Boral team. Boral UltraPatch is a high-performance, ready-to-use asphalt specifically designed for lasting pothole repairs in both asphalt and concrete surfaces. UltraPatch is the only Australian product that uses internationally renowned Macfix technology. The Australian-made certification means you can be assured of a quality product produced to Australia's health, safety and environmental standards. While UltraPatch is non-toxic, we still recommend wearing suitable gloves, footwear and long clothing for your general safety. To complete your repair, you will need a brush, your UltraPatch, a rake and a hand tamper or compacting plate. Let's get started. First, clear the hole of loose debris so that UltraPatch has a firm surface and solid edges to bond to. Add enough UltraPatch to cover the base of the hole. It can even be applied if it's a little wet. After spreading the mix, compact it with a hand tamper or use a compacting plate for heavily trafficked areas. For deeper holes, add UltraPatch in layers up to 50 ml thick, compacting each layer as you go. UltraPatch is ideal for repairing holes up to 150 ml deep. Contact Boral for advice before repairing anything deeper. Lightly dust the road surface with sand in areas that have tightly turning vehicles. Your repair is now complete and ready for use. With Boral UltraPatch, you can be confident your repair will last.